Hello everyone and welcome back to Midjourney tutorial. In this video I will show you that how you can use seed in Midjourney. So if you are creating an image in Midjourney and when you regenerate the image, it completely changes the image by using the new prompt. Even if you didn't change the prompt, it will completely change the image. So I will show you that how you can use seeds to create an image which is a little bit consistent. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here you can see that I have generated an image using Midjourney bot, and you can see this is the image, and what I have typed is a photograph of a man drinking water from the river, and you can see that I have used dash dash seed 1. So I have given this image seed 1, and whenever I will use seed 1 again, it will create a image which is more similar to these images. So let's type in the new prompt slash imagine, and here I will just copy this entire thing and paste it right here. And what I will add here is in winter, and it will completely change our image, and it will try to maintain the same image like these one but in the winter, because we are using the same seed dash dash seed one that we used right here. So now let's just press enter key and see if the Midjourney generates the consistent image. And here you can see that these images are a lot similar to the images that we generated before but in the winter style. And that's the power of seed. That's how you can use seed to create the similar images. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.